are doing a skincare video. मैंने एक नया चैलेंज देखा है Instagram पे, सारा खान ने भी वो किया था, Garnier Bright Complete। तो हम भी ये करेंगे। अपने गिरा दिया कुछ। ये करना ये कि हमने 3 दिन ये लगाना है। ये क्लेम करते हैं कि आपकी स्किन स्पॉटलेस हो जाएगी, ब्राइट हो जाएगी in 3 days। टिप ये है कि आप ये जो क्या कहते हैं उसको, ड्रॉपर, फनल, पिपेट अपनी स्किन के साथ टच नहीं करते हैं। एप्लीकेशन बहुत इजी है, बहुत यमी यमी होता है, सॉफ्ट फील होती है। यू बाल, दिस इज डे 1। लेट्स सी के डे 2 पे क्या होता है। ओके बाय। What's up besties? Ignore my room. It's disgusting. It is day 2 of using the Garnier Bright Complete Serum. Skin मतलब नजर आ रहा है काफी शाइनी हुई हुई है, क्यूट लग रही है। 1 and 2। अगर कोई और ये चैलेंज कर रहा है प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ क्या जोन है, क्या फीलिंग आ रही है। फुल ग्लास स्किन टाइप जोन हो जाते हैं लगा के। Anyway, see you day 3. Bye. Hi guys. It's day 3 and my skin feels nice. देखो करीब से देखो। नहीं मैंने कोई हाइलाइटर नहीं लगाया हुआ by the way. We're gonna apply it. ठीक है ये। ओके 3 दिन में मुझे रिमेम्बर एक मार्क था वो कितना लाइट हो गया है। तो लेट मी नो in the comment section below if you've tried this challenge, if you felt a difference or you haven't, और ऐसी कौन सी चीजें आप भी करते हो जो मुझे भी करनी चाहिए। Teach me something new. Thank you so much for watching guys. I love you. Bye.
Piece of advice for my beautiful girls and boys who struggle with skin issues, because यार मुझे सुनने को मिलता है because I keep getting breakouts, like it's very normal, hormonal stress, I don't know, dirt, a lot of stuff, right? Bad products. But the thing is that सुनने को बहुत बातें मिलती हैं, but don't stress over it. Literally, if you look at it, तो आपके मुंह पे अगर कोई पिंपल हुआ है and you have clear skin generally, ठीक है, then that means it's only gonna stay there for 5 days. If you let it be, that is 5 days, it will be there and then it will be gone. And don't stress about it. Don't make your mind go through this yeah, so I was saying that do not make your mind go through all of that anxiety and stuff, man. It's not worth it. If you guys saw me, abhi maine dobara check kiya, on the 1st of March I actually posted a story. I was getting something here and I was like naya mehman aane laga, and I checked on the 6th it was gone. Practical. And I didn't stress over it. I attended a match in it. I went out, I went bareface as well. Like, I did whatever the hell I wanted to do because I know it does not define me. It does not. It does not take away from my talent. A spot on my face does not take away from my personality. It does nothing to me. I talk the same, I walk the same. So I am grateful for all the things that I have in my life, and this and this and this and whatever. It does nothing bad to me. It does nothing bad to me. It's just your body, your skin. It's very natural. It's just reacting to something bad that you put on your face, or if you have not cleansed it and you have a clogged pore, and that is okay. That is very, very normal. So don't put yourself down for something that is so normal. So freaking normal. Chill out, guys. Just relax. Calm down. It's okay. If it makes you feel better, I am shooting a movie in this. Stop it! And yes, the important bit that हर रोज मुझे भी वो वाले लोग मिलते हैं कि हाय अल्लाह ये क्या हुआ, oh my god, how did you put something, what you use, अच्छा वो I get it, ये ऐसे exist करते हैं, but you need to be clear here, okay? You need to know that this is fine. This does not take away from me, my soul. ओके कोई बहुत ही अल्लाह माफ करे कुछ बहुत ही बुरा नहीं हो गया. It's your skin. It does not define you. It does not. So don't worry about it. That's why I actually put in an effort to come here barefaced. So although I love this filter, I mean you guys know I love it filter. I love this filter. I can't resist, but you get the point, right? Like, ignore them. Also, because I have gone through it, I understand that this can get very, very serious, and even like a slightest breakout, even after you've tried curing it and you get like tiny breakouts like I do now. Like I went through a whole procedure, but it can pull you down, and it is a major insecurity for a lot of people. But you need to tell yourself. मैं अब ये तीसरी दफ़ा repeat कर रही हूँ because I really want you guys to focus on this. It does not define you. It truly does not. You are beautiful, and your beauty is within and not here. It's in here and in here. And anybody who focuses more on what's on the outer there is stupid as hell. Okay, you beautiful. You beautiful.
I'll stand with you between the heavens and the earth. I will tell you where you are. Do you love me?
I love you! From the moment I saw